Hey second graders, so our goal this week for math is addition and subtraction within 1,000. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of different ways you could do these kinds of problems. So my first example is 30 plus 14. We want to find the answer to that problem. One strategy we can use to solve that kind of problem is an open number line. So you would just start by drawing this line on your paper, and then you're going to start at 30 on the number line. You could count by ones if you want to add on 14. I'm going to count first with a 10 and then 4 ones because I have a 10 and 4 ones. So if I'm at 30 and I add on 10, we already know that that means I'm going to be at 40. Okay, so I've added on my 10. My next job is to add on my 4 ones. So I'm going to do 4 little hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 41, 42, 43, and 44. And that tells me that the answer to this problem is going to be 44. Okay, that's one way you can do this kind of addition problem. The next one that we're going to try is 20 plus 12. We're going to do this by drawing tens and ones. Okay, this is just a different strategy you can use to solve this kind of addition problem. So if I have 20, I know I have 2 tens. I'm going to start by drawing those 2 tens. Remember, the tens are just the long sticks. So 1, 2, there's my 2 tens, plus 12. In 12, I have 1 10 and 2 ones. So I'm going to draw another 10, and then 1, 2 ones. Okay? Then I'm going to draw them all together. So I have 1, 2, 3 long sticks, 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And I have my 2 ones. I'm going to count them all up to see what I have. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So that tells me my answer is going to be 32. Okay? You can use both of these strategies with all different kinds of addition problems within 100. Okay, these were pretty simple ones, but you might also use them with a little bit harder ones. Okay, let's try a subtraction problem. So my example for a subtraction problem is 45 minus 10. Okay, we're going to do this one on an open number line also. When we have a big subtraction problem like this, we're actually going to start with a big number, which is 45. And that's going to go on the end of our number line because we know that we're only going to get smaller when we subtract. We're not going to get any bigger, so we can go ahead and put that at the end of the number line. Okay, again, you could count down by ones if you want. You could also hop 10. Okay, so if I subtract 10, I'm taking away a whole 10. That means I'm going to end up at 35. Okay, and there's my answer, 35. Let's try one more using that.